Imagine this. You're behind the wheel, the world blurring just enough to feel alive, yet everything inside remains calm, composed, almost intimate. That's the 2026 Mazda 3. Not just another compact car, it's Mazda's quiet rebellion against the ordinary, a machine that refuses to feel like a compromise. Starting around $25,000, it delivers premium presence without the premium price tag that haunts so many rivals. Mazda has always built cars that punch above their weight, and this latest Mazda 3 carries that soul forward with elegant restraint. Look at the exterior. Sharp flowing lines that evoke motion even when standing still. The bold grille, those signature narrow LED headlights slicing through the darkness, the way the body tucks and flares. It's athletic without screaming for attention. In that rich, deep maroon hue, it turns heads subtly, like it knows it's beautiful but doesn't need to prove it. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts. Soft touch surfaces everywhere, leatherette that feels far more expensive than it should, red stitching adding just the right edge of sportiness. The cockpit wraps around you like it's been tailored to your body, driver-focused, intuitive, never overwhelming. That rotary dial for the infotainment keeps your eyes on the road, while the crisp display glows with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration. Higher trims bring Bose audio that fills the cabin with clarity, and the quiet ride thanks to thoughtful sound insulation makes every drive feel more serene. Under the hood, choice defines the experience. The standard 2.5-liter engine delivers a smooth 186 horsepower, plenty for merging onto highways or carving through back roads with that signature Mazda precision. Opt for the turbocharged version, and suddenly you're unleashing up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel, paired with standard all-wheel drive that grips through rain or snow like it's reading the road's mind. The 6-speed automatic shifts with intelligence, or grab the manual and select trims for that pure, connected feel enthusiasts crave. On real roads, it shines. Steering that's light yet precise, chassis balance that makes twisty paths addictive, and ride quality that absorbs imperfections without ever feeling soft. It's engaging in a way few compacts are. Fun without being punishing, refined without being boring. Safety wraps it all in confidence. IIHS top safety, PIC Plus honors, standard blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking. These aren't afterthoughts. They're seamlessly integrated, letting you focus on the joy of driving rather than the what-ifs. Tech stays modern but uncluttered, no overwhelming screens or gimmicks. The available larger display, wireless charging in upper trims, and 360-degree view monitor make parking in tight spots effortless. Practicality? It seats 5 comfortably, offers decent trunk space for groceries or weekend bags, and sips fuel efficiently, around 30 miles per gallon combined in most configurations. Rear seats fold for extra versatility, and the hatchback option adds even more cargo flexibility if that's your preference. Of course, no car is perfect. Rear legroom isn't the most generous in class if you're regularly carrying taller passengers, and the turbo's thirst climbs noticeably when you chase that extra power. The infotainment rotary controller takes a moment to master if you're used to pure touchscreens. But these feel like honest trade-offs for a car that prioritizes driving purity over sheer volume. In a sea of soulless appliances, the 2026 Mazda 3 is for the driver who still believes a commute can feel special. It's for the urban explorer who wants style and engagement without sacrificing everyday ease, the enthusiast on a budget who refuses to settle, the person who sees their car as an extension of themselves rather than just transportation. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about rediscovering what driving can mean. In today's crowded market, the Mazda 3 doesn't shout the loudest. It simply drives better. And once you experience it, you'll wonder why anything else ever felt acceptable. Fade to black on that lingering shot of the car disappearing into the horizon, engine note echoing faintly. What are you waiting for? The road is calling.